Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to share with you some thermal imaging device. Okay, this one is the first device BSIDE SH7, and this is the resolution thermal imager camera, 20,000 counts touch screen digital camera. This is the video you must watch. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Now I share with you in details. Okay, this is the picture and this is another picture, high efficiency 2-in-1. okay, and open microscopic thermal world, and design is in their details with a macro lens, anti-drop double injection molded, and gear toggle button. Okay, touch LED large screen. This is the price, and this save $194 actual price $316. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. This is the first device. Okay, now I share with you second device. Okay, second device, this one is the second device. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, please check video description, and this is the video. This is the same company BSIDE handheld thermal imaging camera, and this is the resolution temperature meter for repair PCB, automobile, pipeline detection, power inspection. Okay, already 300 plus sold out, 47 reviews, and actual price $234, but this is the discount price, only $90 only for you, and free shipping. Okay, and save $143. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check description. And this device has two variants, BSIDE HX1 and HX1, two sets. Okay, two sets couple device. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Okay, now I'm going to another device. This one is IR resolution P1 thermal imaging camera for iPhone 15, 16 and 17, and also Android my smartphone Type-C infrared thermal imager. Already 9 sold out. Okay, repair master, and this is the temperature, and this is the repair master. Okay, and this is the accuracy plus minus 3.6 degree Fahrenheit and 15x digital zoom. And if you want to buy this product, please check video description, and actual price $278 and save. This is the offer price. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Now next device, this one is also BSIDE SH7 touch thermal imaging multimeter, and this is the video. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Actual price $155 and save $7, only $7. This is the discount price, and this is the variant, 4 variant. Okay, SH7 M1 TP01, another one. This one is $177, actual price $184. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I am going to next video, that Its price is 95 US dollar, only 95 US dollar. Actual price, oh my god, $215, and discount, oh my god, 119 US dollar. Welcome deal. Okay, free shipping. And this is the video. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. And this is the temperature and BSIDE Black Smart Portable Thermal Imager 15 color palettes. Wow, and you can detect pipeline repair, resolution, PC analysis software. Wow. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Now I share with you another picture, another device. This is another device, and great. I like this one. BSIDE Thermal Imaging Camera. Okay, and multimeter 3.98 inches touch screen, resolution 320 resolution, 15 color, also 10 reviews already, 36 sold out, and actual price 270 US dollar, 78. And this is the discount, and this is the discount price. Wow, 50% discount. Wow, nice. And two variant. Okay, macro lens, with macro lens and without macro lens, without macro lens, and this one is without macro lens. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I think you all are good. If you are interested, and please check video description. Already I share with you 1 2 3 4 5 6 device. Okay, 6 device. So if you want to buy this, please check description, and all are genuine and also free shipping. Hurry up, buy now, add to cart. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to buy this product, please check video description, and please subscribe our channel for latest video with technology. And if you love thermal imager camera, please check out description and go to the website and buy this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.